James. His family has been in the laundry business for over 100 years. Meet Anna. A busy professional, she always likes to look her best. They have something in common. Both are looking for a real alternative to dry cleaning. He needs a reliable and eco-friendly solution that won't slow down his business, while she doesn't like the smell or feel of residual solvents on her clothes. James has tried alternative solutions but was never satisfied with the results, until one day he realized that the answer was all around him. Lagoon Advanced Care is a water-based cleaning system giving all the benefits of water with the speed and simplicity of dry cleaning. It's great for the environment, his business, and staff. There's no tricky procedures for staff to learn, giving a rapid return on investment thanks to fast, effective cleaning in less than 1 hour. Even with delicate textiles and wools labeled dry clean only, he achieves outstanding results to keep customers like Anna coming back time and time again. Lagoon Advanced Care. It's a game changer.